Good morning. Today we are on a Gemini catamaran, and it has a Raritan PHII head. I highly recommend the Raritan PHII head. It's got a little thing that helps to give you more power when you're trying to make, well, things go away. And so when you want things to go away, instead of having your hand get splashed like some of the other heads do, your hand is away from things if there is any splashing. And there's also a little piece here that doubles the amount of power, or at least it increases the amount of power that the pumping action does, so it helps to make things go away. They're a little bit more expensive, but it's not bad, and they're much easier to work on. But every once in a while, they are made out of plastic, and plastic doesn't last forever. Things break, and so on this one, the part that connects the cool handle to the pumping unit broke, and so we ordered a new one, and this is an unbelievably quick repair, but I figured you'd get to see it so that you can see how easy it is. So when I turn around to do all this, the camera won't be able to see anything, but somebody to be able to get their stuff that was in the toilet home in the head. They used a hose clamp to clamp the old broken pieces together, and it worked for a little while, but it can't work forever. So we're going to remove that because it shouldn't be here. And then right inside it, underneath the screwdriver, there's a little Allen set screw, and it just keeps this thing from spinning. So we're just going to loosen that a little bit, and then literally this thing just spins off. The old one spins off, the new one spins on. You just want to make sure that the orientation is right so that the pin goes through it. If it's cockeyed, it won't work. So you just need to make sure that that's straight. Lightly, because remember you have metal and plastic, very lightly hit that set screw. Bada bing, bada boom, we're done, and we'll be able to get rid of our stuff. So that's it. Next time you see it, it'll be all fixed. I wish I could be upside down working on a wonderful head and have you see it, but it just doesn't work. So I'll see you in a second. It'll be all fixed.